Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete apps on your Android phone permanently. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, the first and easiest way you could choose to delete an app is to just press and hold on it. Let's say Facebook here. I can press and hold on it. And now I can either choose to hit the uninstall button, or I can tap on the little I and then tap on uninstall here. That is the first way, but some options potentially won't allow this, or it won't work quite as well to fully delete out all those files. Another option you have is to go into the Google Play Store. From here, you can tap on your profile at the top right. And then from here, you can tap on Manage Apps and Devices, and then tap on Manage. On here, you'll see all of the apps that are installed, the third-party apps. You can tap on one of them and then just tap on that trash can icon to delete it. However, in both of these instances, it's not as thorough as you would like it to be. If you want the file for the app, as well as all of the third-party files that might be associated with it to all be permanently deleted, you should follow these steps. We're going to tap on Settings here. And then we're going to scroll down until we get to apps and tap on that. Now within here, let's scroll down and find that app that you want to delete. In this case, let's delete Facebook. So when you're in Facebook, I would first recommend scrolling down to storage, and we're going to clear the cache and then clear the data for that app. After we've done that, you'll be able to see it's almost always just the app size. And from here, I can choose to uninstall this. However, there could be files still lingering around. So Facebook is not on there anymore. However, I'm going to tap the back button and then go up to Accounts and Backup. And then tap on Manage Accounts. You want to make sure that app that you just deleted is no longer on the Manage Accounts list here. Sometimes it still shows up on this list, and if so, you need to tap on it and hit Remove Account. After you've done that, let's make sure there are no lingering files from that app you deleted. And the easiest way to do that is to swipe up and go into the Google Files app. So if you don't already have this on your phone, just download Google Files, and within Google Files, we can tap on those three lines at the top left, and then tap on Clean. You'll be able to see junk files, unnecessary files taking up space. All we need to do is hit Clean and then Clear, and it will go through the process of finding any of those files that are just lingering around and abandoned, maybe from deleted apps or from anything else, and we'll clear out all of those, and now there are no remnants of those deleted apps. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.